Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Azure portal and locating Front Door Standard or Premium. Create or select a resource group so configuration is organized. This matters for billing and access control. Next, choose the SKU, Standard for common CDN/load balancing needs, Premium for WAF or advanced routing, because the SKU determines available features. Then add a front-end hostname and immediately create a backend pool pointing to your web app or storage endpoint. This starts the routing topology you will refine next. Once the backend pool exists, you configure detailed routing and health logic. You add backends with weights or priority so traffic distributes as you intend, and set a probe path to confirm each origin is healthy. This prevents sending traffic to a failing server. Then create routing rules with match conditions, caching behavior, and protocol forwarding so requests arrive correctly. Make sure to attach a custom domain and enable TLS. You validate ownership, so certificates can be issued automatically or uploaded by you. To finish, you test routes using curl or a browser and inspect response headers to confirm front door is fronting your origin. Check latency and cache hits so you know performance. Deploy changes gradually and enable metrics, access logs, and alerts, connecting them to log analytics so you can query trends and troubleshoot. If something goes wrong, first review health probe status, DNS records, and WAF or routing rules, often a mismatched probe path, missing DNS CNAME, or overly strict WAF rule is the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.